Hello guys, welcome to my channel, where I will be teaching you how to model basic kitchen cabinets, after which we will generate a cutting list for CSE, and then we build an entire kitchen with the cabinets. The first cabinet we are going to work on is the single door base cabinet. Each cabinet comprises of the base panel, side panels, braces, shelf, back panel, and door. Adding additional elements such as the hinges, kitchen legs, plinth, screws, shelf pins, or minifix tops up as bonus based on your experience in woodworks and cabinetry. So in this tutorial, I am going to teach you step by step how to model each piece of the cabinet per my knowledge and understanding of woodwork and cabinetry. The model you see on the screen is a carefully modeled cabinet with every element in place, which includes the accessories according to my level and understanding in cabinetry. But what I am going to teach you is an introduction to cabinetry and to help you understand what goes into every cabinet being made, after which we will generate our first cutting list in preparation for cutting with the CSE machine. Without further ado, let us jump into our tutorial to start creating our first base kitchen cabinet. With the aid of your rectangular tool, draw a face which is 500 mm by 562 mm. Select the push-pull tool and extrude the face out at 18 mm. Triple click and save it as a component, naming it Base Panel. Now, with this done, we are moving on to the next set, which is the side panels. Select tape measure tool, then offset 18 mm from one side of the panel. Now, with the rectangular tool selected, draw a face across using the tape measure line as a guide. Then use the push-pull tool to extrude along the y-axis at a measurement of 742 mm. Triple click and save it as a component, naming it Side Panel. Now use the mirror tool and mirror the side panel to the opposite side. With this done, the next step is to make provision for the back panel. Offset 20 mm in using the tape measure tool, then offset 4.5 mm back. This will be the groove I am going to use for my back panel since the thickness is for millimeters. Next is to double-click the side panel in order to edit it. Use the rectangle tool to draw a face across the construction lines, made with the tape-measure tool. Then with the push-pull tool, push the face in at a measurement of 9 millimeters. Repeat the same procedure for the base panel. Now, we have created the groove in which our back panel would be placed. Next is to make a cutout for our hand space profile handle, which has a measurement of 25 millimeters by 55 millimeters. Let's now look at the brace which holds the side panels firmly together. Offset from the groove point a measurement of 18 millimeters by 100 millimeters. Then extrude the face to form a brace between the two side panels. Now, triple click and make it a component with the name brace. Copy the brace and rotate it on the green axis, then place it in the position as shown. Our cabinet is beginning to turn out well, and exactly as we want to build it in real life. The next piece to build will be our shelf. Using the tape measure tool, locate the center of the side panel, offset 18 millimeters, then draw a rectangle across to make a face. Now extrude the face and make it a component with the name shelf. Let's make our door component now by drawing a rectangle with measurements of 500 millimeters by 730 millimeters. Extrude the face by 18 millimeters, then push in 1.5 millimeters on both sides. Make it a component with the name door. Our cabinet is almost complete, and you can tell how easy it was to create. Let's create our back panel now, which would be 480 mm width by 680 mm height, and with a thickness of 4 mm. Offset 4 mm using the tape measure tool, and 1 mm each on both sides. Across the width to make room for allowance. Draw the face of the back panel and extrude it to fit the back of the cabinet. Make it a component with the name back panel. Now, you can clearly tell our cabinet is complete and looking good. Our fifth stage of cabinet modeling is complete and ready to be used in our projects. You are free to add kitchen legs, hinges, and any other accessories of your choice. I will also provide a download link in the description for anyone who wants this cabinet for educational purposes. Thank you for joining us through this tutorial, and stay tuned for our next tutorials which highlights on how to model drawer cabinets.